When I eat this, aku nak try buat mukbang pun macam Hello guys. So my teacher gave me food. It's called taiyaki. The one that looks like fish and there's a red bean paste here inside. So I've known her from 2012. From 2012 till now lah. Okay. So she gave me like 4 of them, but my sister took one. So let's eat. Wash your hand, read your prayers, drink, and eat. Maybe I should reheat the food first, okay? Okay, I've done reheating food. So let's try again. Now you cannot see my face, right? How should I do this? Like this? I don't know, man. Whatever. Sorry, there's a lot of noise because my neighbor renovated their house. When I eat this taiyaki, I feel loved. Thank you, teacher, for making this. I'll make a video about it because, you know, just to like a diary. So that's all for the video. It's kind of short. I'll eat the rest later, like bit, so it won't finish cepat. Okay. So kita makan sikit supaya dia lambat sikit habis. Aku nak try buat mukbang pun macam tengok diri sendiri makan pun dah tahu macam Okay lah, itu je lah, bye bye.